I do a lot of drawing from my imagination. Here's a short drawing practice I use to get me thinking about drawing shapes in space. Hi, I'm Chris. I draw a lot of my own characters and designs from my imagination, using shapes that I like to draw. I take a simple shape. I like drawing this little peanut shape. I draw it facing different directions. I think about it as though it were turning in space. The little details I'm putting on the top and bottom help the illusion. You have to think ahead a little so you know what to draw first. I know that if the shape is bending forward, I have to start with that little detail first before I draw the larger shape. When you're adding patterns or details like this, keep in mind the contour of the shape, the way the pattern will wrap around the shape. It doesn't have to be super accurate, just indicate it if you can. It's important to relax and just have fun with it. This is the kind of drawing you do when you're just drawing for fun. Let's start another row. This time we'll give it more details around the outside of the shape, which help with the illusion of it being in space. So you really have to think ahead and visualize the shape so you know what to draw first. Is the shape coming forward? Is it going back? Try to think about the center line of the shape. Where would the center of that shape be? Which direction is it facing? That'll really help you when you're adding other details like a face, eyes or ears or nose. These eyes are like little beads sticking out, so where will they be on the shape? Or the nose and mouth. Knowing where that center line is comes in handy. One more row of shapes. This time, I'm going to give it a little window and put a character inside. I do this all the time with shapes. I like to open them up and put little characters inside. Why not? For me, it's usually a cat. I have two. And if they're not standing between me and the computer monitor, then they're usually getting into something around the studio. Again, thinking of the shape and what makes sense to draw first, depending on where it is in space. Here I'm finding that center line. I'm carving out that little window in the center of the shape, keeping the details either forward or behind the shape, giving it a little texture or pattern depending on what you're intending to do with it. Remember, the intention is to learn from this, to learn about drawing shapes in space. Don't get hung up on it being perfect. I'm going to drop some doodles here and there because I just can't leave well enough alone. I guess that's just the kind of party I want to throw. I hope this helps, if just a little, with your drawing. I'm going to continue to do more long-form videos on free-form drawing like this. I'm still getting used to doing it consistently. Hopefully they'll get better, and I hope you will stick around. Thanks for watching.